Can you say Mama? I said Mama.
A few moments later.
This time, can you say Mama? Oh, I love you, sweetheart. Good morning, Lini. Naka-jeans pa ang ating baby girl. Baby, have a look. And she's walking too. Hi. Hi. You love your food? You love your food? You wanna come to Mama? You wanna come to Mama? You wanna come to Mama? Ang cute-cute ng kanyang jeans, guys. Alam niyo ba yung nakalagay sa jeans? Size 2. And she's wearing it now. My big girl. Yes. Can you tell Tita and Tito where we are? Do you know where we are? Dito kami sa yung nga pa nga ito, Wollongaba Oral Health Center. Yan, as you can see. So it's baby Celine's first dental appointment. So she's now 11 months old. Nak, no? 11 months old and she's getting her teeth checked. So meron na yan siyang 8 teeth in total. So 4 sa taas and 4 sa baba. Nini, Baba, can I see your teeth, please? No? Show me your teeth. Please. Asya, ang sipon. Nagtulo. Show me your teeth, babe. Asya ko siya sipon na anak. Show me your teeth, babe. Say hi, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. Wala si Ate Paris. Where's Ate Paris? Yan na? Wala ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Kasi dinarap namin siya kanina sa kanyang kindergarten. What are you trying to do? Naghihintay lang kami na tawagin. Yes. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Tapos na sipunak ba? Okay. Get the tissue. A bit later. What's that? Si Ate Paris, guys, yung appointment niya ay next week. So today kay baby Celine. Tapos kay Ate Paris next week. Yan yung ginagawa niya. So aga-aga pa ngayon. It is 9 o'clock. So maaga ako nagising kanina para i-ready yung dalawa. Tingnan niyo, hindi na makapagpahinga. Uy, you okay then? You okay then? Yes?
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's 10:32 in the morning. And kakatapos lang natin from baby Celine's appointment. Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng McDonald's. Nag-drive-thru lang ako. Hindi ako bumaba kasi alam niyo bakit ako nandito. Nakatulog kasi ang ating baby Celine nung pauwi na kami from the dentist. Kaya since gutom na gutom si mami niyo, hindi pa ako makakababa. Nag-drive-thru na lang ako dito. So Nag-order ako ng aking paboritong double cheeseburger with chips. So, yung appointment guys, sobrang bilis lang. Pagkapasok namin doon, nag-fill up kami ng form kasi first time namin doon, so kailangan nila ng details. And then after a few minutes, tinawag na kami. Pagkapasok, obviously chinek ng dentist yung ipin ni baby Celine. And then binigyan niya kami ng toothbrush ni baby Celine, and then merong toothpaste din, Colgate. So sinabihan niya ako kung ano yung dapat kong tingnan kapag kasi may program sila ngayon na tinatawag nilang lift the lip. Anong tawag dun guys? Monitor nila yung teeth. Pag may nakita daw akong ganun, pinakita nila sa akin yung pictures. So, we have to be very careful with that. And also, pinakita nila sa akin yung listahan ng mga, alam niyo yung mga cereals na mga ganun na pinopromote daw ng kumpanya as healthy, but they're actually over sa sugar. So, alam niyo yung mga Milo, Nutri-Grain, yung mga ganun. So, di ba pag sinasabi nila, healthy food, ganyan kapag ina-advertise. But, sa totoong buhay talaga is hindi. Very sugary siya. So, sabi niya. And you know what? Alam niyo ba? Yun yung ginakain Ate Paris. So, for sure, nasasarapan siya. Kasi nga, di ba? Grabe yung sugar, excuse me. Kaya, yeah, we'll see. We'll try to avoid that one. So, sinabihan din nila ako na kapag bottle feeding kay baby Celine, make sure na hindi nagba-bottle feed habang natutulog. Kasi, pinakita niya sa akin yung picture nga, ito yung nangyayari, ito ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi naman milk bottle ang ating baby Celine kasi breastfeeding yan siya. And then, sabi niya, try to avoid the dummy. Alam ko naman talaga yan, guys. I try my very best na hindi na siya bigyan ng kanyang dummy. But, most of the time, alam niyo yung kailangan ko ng lifesaver. And, kaya, na ibibigay talaga sa kanya yung dummy. We will slowly wean her from the pacifier. But, yeah, naging lifesaver kasi yun sa amin. Kaya, especially kasi since baby, yung newborn si baby Celine, she's very, very suki. Next week, kay Ate Paris naman, so, nirefer pala kami ng maternal and child health nurse dito sa Brisbane, doon sa kanila. So, yung dental checkups ay libre from the government, guys. Kapag may Medicare ka, you're entitled for this. And you know what's good about it? Until they're in year 10, they are entitled sa mga ganyan. So, I can go, sabi niya, maybe every 12 months, kailangan namin bumalik for checkups sa teeth, and it's just so good to have that privilege na hindi ka magbabayad for dentist, like, and teeth is very, very important, guys. And yeah, I remember, when I was in the Philippines, I can't even remember when I went to the dentist, kasi wala naman kaming pang dentist before. So, pag nagtutoothbrush lang kami sa Pilipinas before, ay walang toothpaste. As in, yung ginagamit namin, guys. Alam mo ba yun?
A few moments later.
Hi. Kagising lang. Hala. You're sweating na? Okay, I'll take you out now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. What's wrong? What's wrong? Have a look. I'll show you your face. I'll show you your beautiful face. Is that you? Huh? She's been a happy, chappy baby today, which makes Mama very happy, anak. Do you know that? Tulok. Sip on. Tulo-tulo ang baby. Are you drinking McDonald's? Wala nang laman yan, guys. And she's been playing. Mga laruan din ni Ate Paris. And Mama has been eating this. Jovies. That's from Tata Edgar na. Pasalubong ko from the Philippines. Banana chips. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Like, no exaggerating, ha? Sa lahat ng mga na-try ko yata before na banana chips, napakasarap nito. Isa na kain. Huy! Iso makay na ang baby na. Ay. Nabasa na, oh. May ice kasi na naiwan dito. Kaya, tingnan nyo, nabasa. We are going to pick up Ate Paris soon. Hey. Honey girl, we have to change your clothes, ha? So, naglaba ako. Tapos, naglagay sa dryer ng mga damit. At sa labas, naglagay din ako sa labas. Ay, pep. Okay, is it nap time again? Is it nap time again? Oh, alam niyo ba? Meron ng bagong friend si Baby Celine. Don't you nap? Your friend, Steph. Yeah. Nung Sunday, what is it today? Yeah, today is Tuesday. Nung Sunday, pumunta kami ng Filipina restaurant. Nag-lunch kami nung bago kong kakilala dito, guys. Naging kaibigan ko na rin. So, yung anak niya na lalaki, 1-year-old, nasa nursery dyan sa same school na pinupuntahan niya, Ate Paris. So, one day, sa labas, nung pag-pick up, tinanong niya ako, sabi niya, Filipina? Up. And, tapos nag-click kami, guys. So, yun, nag-organize kami. Oh, what's wrong? My God. Nag-organize kami ng lunch together para masama namin yung mga darling namin. Uy. Okay. Bihisan ko na to. Change ko itong nappy nito kasi. Change yung nappy and we'll go have a nap. Okay?
A few moments later.
Nabihisan ko na, oh. Nahubot ko lang siya sa drawer, guys. Tingnan nyo. Hindi na kapit lang, botones. Buyag. Big girl naman ikaw ba? You've grown up for the last couple of weeks. I think you've grown up, anak. Sa tingin ko talaga, guys, ha? Nag-growth spurt siya. Kaya din siguro ganun na lang siya sukilala kasi kapag, diba, growth spurt, lumalaki yung head, yung bones, to stretch everything. No? For sure it hurts. Is that your toothbrush? Get the plastic bag. Ay, sus, maulit dayon. So, bagong taka ka ron. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. No? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands now. Okay. Like that. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Can you say, Mama? Celine? Mama. Shh, listen to Mama ba? Mama. Can you say it? Can you say, Mama? No, Miss Celine. Mama. Uy. Dada. Uy. Mama. Uy. Mama. Badlungon po. Badlungon po kang dako ba? You're not following mama ba? You're not following instruction, bagsak ta ka na. Can you say mama? I said mama. Mama. Why won't you say mama, anak? Hey, mama's sad now. Mama's sad. Mama. You say mama. Ambot ni mo. Ayaw, di ta ka padidihon. No didi for you? You won't say mama, ma'am? Huh? What is that? What's the color of your toothbrush? What is that? Pink? Yellow? Ikaw, babe? Uy, Lola. Lola. Okay, tumbling na ni. Oh, careful, anak. Kakagising lang yan, guys. Bumaba kami kanina, naglakad-lakad kami dito papuntang shop. So I'm just gonna go buy salmon for dinner tonight. Ayan, umorder na ako ng sushi pang snacks. Hi, did you have a good nap? Yes, we're gonna go pick up at the Paris after the shops. Are you excited? Gosh, ganda-ganda naman ang gising ng baby namin na yan. Oh. This time, can you say mama? Oh, you sweet. I love you, sweetheart. Tingnan niyo. Oh, Ate Paris is a bucket filler today with her friend Irene. See, basahin natin kung bakit naging bucket filler siya today. Ba. Which one is the new one up?
Is this one?
This?
That's the one?
Aww.
Is that the one?
I think this is the one. Paris is a star for being courteous to her teacher.
That's the one.
Not finish it. Not finish it. I'm still reading. Teacher friends resting quietly, following routine. Oh my goodness. Alam niyo ba guys, when I was grade 1 siguro, primary school, I remember I was awarded most courteous.
4,
Mga butan mga tanak, no?
6,
Nak no, matinawuron mga tanak.
7, 8, 9.
Lini, you gotta give it back to your
10.
big sister.
11, 12.
Oh my god.
If I get another, when I get another one, I'll get 15.
13.
14.
Yep.
Have it back to your room.
Say please.
Please ruin it.
Say please.
Can I please have a sleep?
Okay. Selene, give it to ate.
Got it. Got it. Got it. I got it. Please. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Am I ruining it?
Okay.
I got
Kaya
it.
ba ta ako? Alright. Selene, we're not allowed to touch that, anak. We might break it. Wait, that's Orlando, see? Uy, anak ko! Luto tayo ng dinner ni Baby Celine. So, Baby Celine is... Okay, look! Ayan, look. And we're having... Oh, she's having... salmon! Uyok naman. Okay, we'll have Didi. And then, parisan ko lang ito, guys. Oh. Veggie rice. Parang rice pero cauliflower siya ba? Ayan. Initin lang sa microwave. Ma. What's wrong? Payak-iyak mo to eh. Kanina tumawag yung tatay niya quickly. Nag-video ko kasi pauwi na daw siya. Sobrang happy niya. Go. Hindi naman to siya sleepy kasi nakatulog man to siya kanina sa pram. Okay na, anak. Wait. Look, oh. Turn it on. Okay, Didi. Okay. Didi as well. Okay. Daddy is home. Daddy is home. We take the look. Take the look. Tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang happy ito siya pag nakita niyo yung tatay niya. Happy Paris! Come, Daddy's here. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang reaction guys. Open the door.
Sorry, Mommy.
Who's that? Who's that? Dida. Is your Dida home? Huh? Can you say, aww, can you say Dada?
Dada.
Can you say Dada?
Dada.
Say Dada.
Dada.
No. Yee. Sabi ko mag-good night na sa kanyang ate kay mag-sleep na. Tingnan niyo. Gentle na. Tingnan niyo. Okay lang talaga yan siya kahit anong gawin sa kanya ng ate niya. But it's very clear in the camera that is the difference in the color. Skin color.
That's a cute girl.
It's very different in real life.
Tingnan niyo guys. Diyan niyo talaga makikita kung anak, diferensya ng kanilang kulay guys. Klaro-klaro ba? Morena. Mestiza. Aww. How precious guys. Aww.
Sweet cute girl.
I really pray na lumaki sila na
That's cool.
close silang
Morena.
dalawa.
Morena.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. See, tingnan si Celine. Magkaganon na sa kanyang ate. Oh, careful. Tinatawag pa yan ng kanyang ate na, Celine, you're so adorable. Is Celine adorable na? Ate Ke. Is Celine adorable? Okay. Say goodnight to Daddy na daw. Say, grab her, Daddy. Say goodnight.
Stop.
Go, Dida.
Good night, Papa.
Gentle na.
I have to get
Good night.